nakapag-enter na ng plea si former President Erap. And therefore, trial could proceed in absentia. So kahit hindi nakabalik si former President Erap, sakaling nag-abscond siya, then pwede. The trial could proceed to its logical conclusion. There would be a judgment of either conviction or acquittal. Ito, hindi. Kasi by the time na nagpapaalam yung former president, napayagan siyang umalis, hindi pa nakapag-acquire ng jurisdictional court sa kanya. And that is what we're trying to safeguard. Na by the time matapos ang PI. So even if PI could proceed without her presence. Pero hanggang doon lang ba? Yun ang sinasabi kong Pyrrhic victory.